Okay, welcome back. This video we will start to make the car toy, sketch, the rectangle, the prong, the trim the line, and we must to choose the rectangle, center rectangle in the center origin and enter the 100 millimeter. And don't forget we must to choose the millimeter scale. Don't um, centimeter scale. I think enough 20, and then we choose the rectangle again to the top, the body curve, the trim, another line, and then we enter the smart dimension. I think enough 15, like the surface fillet, but I think this uh, another time we must to add the fillets again. The first fillet, the top and the front of car, thinking of the 7 20 75, and then we can write the fillet again, the bottom body in car, just 10 of 10, and then trim the line, the fill surface with the sharp, just 7 diameter. I think it is enough, 7 diameter, and we must do preparation with the in the middle line, and then symmetric. Oh my goodness, what's wrong? I think this I have the wrong. I think delete. I will try again to symmetry the circle. The first I will add the sides just 40, and then origin to drag and drop, proportion to proportion, just symmetry. Oh my god, I think same. Don't forget, uh, we have another step to build the down the build. This a KitKat. Just after that, we will choose the active balls. Yeah, 20 millimeter, I think enough. The mid plane, don't forget. Mm, I think enough, and we will add again the surf for the tree. 5.5. It seems to add the 5.5, and then we look again the actual was, don't forget, at the 13 millimeter. We have the 10 millimeter on the side line. Another, we have the direction to 10 millimeter. It seems for another beside, right? And the stops will have down, and then we will make the three tire with the, as I mean I tire. Goodness. Wait a second. We have a problem this. Mm, I think it's enough. Forgot. We must forgot, and then we back again with the tutorial. we have the what's the beginning. Oh yeah, we will add the plan with the reference surface. Have the enter the 3 mm and the flip upside we can choose. I mean 20. I mean 2 mm. Drag and drop to set the sides, the big sides, and sketch the plan one and the normal two. Don't forget we have the one side. Wait a second. Yeah. And then circle. Don't forget. We must enter the 13 diameter. Same 13 diameter equal. We have the same sides 13 diameter, two side, and then 20 or 6. I think it's not a 6. 7. Oh, yeah, 6. 6 is enough, I think. We have the 2 tier. And after that, we have to add the another beside the 3. We have the choose the icon mirror and the post extrude. And the post all. Oh, it's wrong. Yeah, mirror in SEMS. For just the plano plan, plan. Yep, this. And finally, the next steps we have the create the front. Wait a second, I will the create the another plan. Before another plan, I will the create the pros to connect head car to push some land to push some cross trace, I think. And then we have the extrude just little, yeah, sketch. And I will make the line, new line, click line, plan difference plates and 135 and the flip offsets. We have the add the degree. I think enough, just enough. 115 enough. Sketch. Wait a second. I will find comfortable to play to fetch the draw sketch rectangle. And we must add the line, central line, and click another beside to mid line. Choose the symmetric, proportional, 45, and then 25. Starting 25, I think we have the chance to change 30. We have to change 13. F mid flame don't forget, and 4 mm. This thickness that is enough. Yes. And finally we have added the hole in the window, the card, and usually we add the plan, the line plan, and the wait. Yep, I think enough. This Smart dimension, don't forget. Ultimate Waken 17. Wait, extrude cuts. Yeah, this extrude cut. The fillets. These steps. Final step. We must add the fillet, which a little 4 millimeter, 2 millimeter. Click space. Think enough. And fillet again. 2 millimeter. It's 2 millimeter. Yeah, 2 millimeter. Oh, it's nothing function. Wait a second. I have to some problem. Yeah, I think enough this question. And then finally we have the 10% the project we have down to only down, and then you can see the project, the car toy right beside, front beside, another beside, or the back beside to June or something like that. I hope you will happy, and we must the enter the appearance like wood, the material wood to part one, right? I think enough for the tutorial. I said thank you. Don't forget to end again.